First of all, sorry for not vlogging yesterday and the day before. That was simply because the weather was really, like, it was raining in Bali, and Julia and I didn't really get up to a lot. So we thought, you know, instead of just showing you uninteresting stuff, we'd rather take a 2-day break and continue today. So right now, Julia and I are in Canggu, and this is welcome to my crib.
Let's hit the room. This is the haunted room in here somewhere.
I saw a frog yesterday. She was like, Janine, I saw a frog. Oh my god, I can't go in this room again. So she's scared. Maybe you'll stay outside. So yeah, this is the 3rd bedroom, and it also has a private bathroom. And guys, oh my god, I hate you.
Gotcha. Okay, ist bereit? Okay, so right now we are currently in the car and we're on our way to Ubud. We want to go see the waterfall first, and I think Julia's taking a nap. Sneaky nap.
Got back from exploring that waterfall, and now we're having a late lunch. It's already like...
I'm sorry, I can't even take you serious because, well, you just like look at the back, look at this puppy. Hello, puppy.
So we're having a late lunch, and we're at Alchemy in Ubud, and it's like one of the best restaurants in Bali. And Julia and I are having salads.
Oh, salad, yeah.
And Julia usually never eats salads, but these ones, this is like an all raw place, but the food here is amazing. It's so good. And the salads are the best I've had in my whole entire life.
Look, the puppy's right behind you. Okay.
Julia, have a look.
What's that?
There. It's a little baby spider, Julia. Hey guys, so we are currently by the rice terraces, and it's such a beautiful like evening afternoon vibe. So yeah, we're gonna explore a bit.
My father told me
They're coming with the postcards, you can't do it now.
Okay, we have to wait till they're... Soll ich da rüber kommen?
Ja, mach doch. Fall halt nur nicht hin, das ist das Einzigste. Martin, Janine, don't do it. Nein, lass doch sein. Ich weiß nicht, ob ich es machen würde.
Mach schnell Fotos, mach Fotos.
Okay, okay, okay. Insect. Okay, little hat lady. Where are we?
We are in the rice paddies. We've been to like other rice paddies here in Ubud as well, but they don't really compare to this one. I think this one's just like the most like breathtaking, beautiful one. Like whenever we're in Bali, we like come here because it's so beautiful.
Sorry, can you take a boomerang?
It stops itself, yeah, so you just hold until the end.
Oh, you have to do the other one.
Yeah.
Wait, I'll show you quickly.
Yeah. 3, yes.
真的没有的哈。
Run, horse, run! Into the forest! It's a wild horse!
Hello. Hi. Hi. Okay guys, we are gonna finish today's vlog right here. I hope you enjoyed it. We really enjoyed today, it was fun. See you soon guys.